Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to add music to your Facebook profile. If you want to add music to your Facebook profile, so let's see how can you do this. First, you have to open your Facebook app and then go to your profile. Here tap on edit profile. Now scroll to end and then select edit your about info. Then scroll to end and here you will get tab on music. Just tap on add music and then select the music which you want to add to your profile. Here tap on add. Now search music as I'm going to search for this one, so just search for it. And here's the music. You just have to tap on three dots and here's tap on select. And now go back and here you can see I have successfully added music to my Facebook profiles. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.